Hey guys, Jason with MuseGrid.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our latitude and longitude finder in order to get the latitude and longitude for your location. Now, latitude and longitude controls the centering of the map, and if you're using a single marker, it'll also display it'll also place the marker in that latitude and longitude location. So whether you're using a marker or whether you're just wanting to center the map up in a particular location, this latitude and longitude is where you would control that. Now, finding latitude and longitude has always been a bit of a hassle in past versions, but we've made it really simple by creating a latitude and longitude generator, or finder if you will, which we've included directly inside the settings panel of this app. So you'll see that once we click on it, it'll actually take us to the landing page of this widget and put us directly in the location of a latitude and longitude finder. So I'm going to actually plot this map in the middle of St. Louis, Missouri. So St. Louis is where I'm from. So we're going to go St. Louis, Missouri, and we're just going to be a bit broad at this point and look for just where Google Maps would determine the center of St. Louis to be. You could absolutely put in an address. So for example, if I wanted to put in 123, Main Street, Main Street, something along those lines, obviously, it would plot the exact physical location that you've put in here, okay? But in my particular case, we're just going to stick with St. Louis, and I'm just going to kind of zoom in here and make sure it's exactly where I want it to be, okay? So here we are. Let's see here. It looks like it has it on City Hall. So what I want to do is actually place it on Busch Stadium because, after all, I am a Cardinals fan. So I want to support the Birds. So what I'm going to do is actually open this up, and you'll see that the latitude and longitude is currently here. But since I want to actually place it on Busch Stadium, which is right down here, I'm just going to drag it down and place it directly on Busch Stadium. And you'll notice that the latitude and longitude automatically changed based on a location. So if I want to be really specific, something like that, so maybe the gate, which I believe is about on this side right here, the front gate, maybe I'll just put it right there. So I'm going to grab the latitude. I'm going to select the whole thing just like so. I'm going to right click and copy. I'm going to go back to my map, and I'm going to open up the settings panel and go to latitude. Select everything, delete, and paste. Okay. Now, once I press enter on that, it's obviously going to put me out in the middle of the ocean somewhere because the longitude's wrong. So what we're going to do is go back and grab everything in the longitude field here, including the minus symbol. We're going to copy that. Okay. And then now we're going to go back to our map, and we are going to go to longitude and select everything, delete, paste, hit enter, and boom. It's going to put us right on Busch Stadium. So let's zoom in just to be sure that we are in that exact location that I indicated. And sure enough, there we are, this right in the front gate of Busch Stadium. So that's how you get the latitude and longitude, where you can place a place the latitude and longitude in an exact location to either place it where a pin would be or place it just in the center of your map. So that's how you get it.